up, guys? It's your boy Christian here. Gonna be doing a little tune-up on the 88. We're gonna be changing the oil filter, air filter, what else? And battery lines or some shit. And then forgot what else. Oh, we're gonna do the flush on the radiator, brake fluid. I think that's it. Gonna go to O'Reilly's or some shit. Should be open already. Maybe at the junkyard we'll get like the little shroud that goes over this. But yeah, we're gonna do the little tune-up, and then I'll catch you when we're getting the oil. We just got back from O'Reilly's. We picked up a lot of stuff. Not a lot of stuff, but just the necessities. We got the brake fluid right here. We got, I believe this cleans your engine or your something like that for the gas. We got some door pins so that we can change out these doors to the new ones I have in there. We got some coolant for the radiator, 3 of them. I think we still need, there's still water, but whatever. We got this little lid for the brake fluid reservoir. We needed it. We got the new radiator cap. Where is that right there? Got the oil right here. Oil filter. Same thing in this bin. And then we also got the air filter right here. So I'm gonna put y'all guys on a little time lapse of us doing it, me and my brother, and I'll catch y'all after it's done. finally done with the truck after like 3 hours, I think. Once again we did the oil. We're not done with the coolant because we still need the distilled water, the brake fluid. We did the air filter. That's pretty much it. It's running good. We even bled the brakes. Let's go with the shotgun. Sure.
Would you want to go up against a shotgun that breaks the BBs?
Yeah guys, so that's just a little quick video of us doing the tune-up. That is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and just leave a like, comment, let me know what you guys think, and catch you on the next one.